Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log in to the Philippine National Bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.pnb.com.ph and hit enter. After the home page of the Philippine National Bank opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the login button, you'll be further guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in some credentials. You'll have to fill in your user ID here, your password here, and then click on the login button. Once you click on the login button, and if you have filled in these credentials correctly, you'll be automatically logged into the Philippine National Bank. I hope this video helped you to log into the PNB. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.